Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're looking at cider. Now, a while ago we crushed all our apples and put them in big containers. Now, this is the first two that we've got. This is the first one we ever picked and crushed, and that's the second. Wrong round, no matter why. Unfortunately, it's been 6 months they've been in these containers for one reason or another. So today we're gonna put some Camden tablets in. So we've got some Camden tablets to stop the fermentation. I don't think it is fermenting anymore, but we've got to put it in. So it says on the instructions, 1 for every 5 litres. No, sorry, 2 for every 5 litres. There's 25 litres in each, so we bung 10 in. All I've done is crushed them up, put them in hot water, and then I've poured one in there. We're going to pour some in there, but this is full to the brim. So we're going to suck some out and have a look at it, and we'll do a specific gravity test on it as well. Alright, so we're going to make a bit of room in here. Cool. Bit of a bubble. Let's suck some out and put some in there. Woo. Floating yet. Floating? Still not floating, blimey. We are floating. I think I'll take a bit more out to make some more room. Well, it's a lot clearer than last year's. I'll take a bit more out. So like I said, this is just Camden tablets dissolved in warm water. Put that in, and we'll leave this overnight to kill off all of the what's the word I'm looking for?
Yeast.
All the yeast, yeah. Put that back in. Right, now we've got to work out what the specific gravity of this is. That's when you need stronger glasses. 1.04? Does that sound right? There's 1.007 before, wasn't it? 1.004.
Let's have a look in the book.
Well, we'll have a look in the book and then see what it means. Anyway. Yay! Oh, blimey. Not sure about that. Well, it's the next day. Put the Camden tablets in yesterday, so it's been overnight and a bit more. We're ready to chuck them in the demijohns. So just got our siphoning stuff there, with a funnel with a bit of muslin over the top, and then we're going to siphon it into these demijohns. Just try it. Hate this bit. Does it look like we?
Yeah. Someone's got a problem.
Well, there's 2 empty containers, 25 litres in each. And here we have into our demijohns. I do apologise if that's flashing, it's fluorescent lights in the kitchen. But we've done lots of different things with these, with different mixtures. So we've got a sweetener in this, we've just got malic acid in this, we've just got potassium sorbate in that. That's our test with nothing in, which is the same as that. We put a little bit of sugar in that one. And a tiny bit of lemonade just to try and change the taste. But we've got ones with, we've added sugar at the back. We've put bubblers on just in case, because we don't want to blow stuff up. But so yeah, we've got a mixture. 40 teaspoons of sugar, malic acid, potassium sorbate. You know where I'm coming from. We've tried a bit of everything. So yeah, we'll wait and see. And so we'll try this, shall we? Oh, I don't know that I could drink a lot, but it's growing on me. Nice. It's only just gone 12. Ooh. Right, it's been a little while since we siphoned all these out and mixed them all up everything, so we're going to go and try and sample some of them. So we're going to start with our, well, what's it called? With nothing added at all. What would you call it?
Nothing added.
Right. Our baseline. Right, let's take a few squirts out with the old baster. And out to our willing volunteers.
Thank you.
It doesn't look too bad. Let's have a go. You ready? Oh, yeah. That's got a bit of a bite to it.
That's drinkable.
It's drinkable. Yeah. We'll move on to the next. Next, we've just got potassium sorbate in it, and look. It's a lot clearer. Let's try it.
Oh, it's very sweet.
Sweet. That's very similar to the other one, I'd say.
It's less
Tastes really different to me.
Tastes a bit different.
less tart, less sort of-
Tannins?
yeah,
Less like sucking an old tea bag.
less like sucking an old
Yeah.
tea bag.
But dry cider.
I don't like this as much.
Oh, don't you?
No,
I find this easier than the other one.
I don't.
Right, well we'll mark it up. And now we're going to move on to the next one. Next up we've got malic acid, potassium sorbate and a bit of sweetener. Not as clear as actually as the last one with just, what was the one? Potassium sorbate in. Ooh. That
It's
hasn't,
got an aftertaste.
has it? But it's not as much, yeah, as the other one, is it? Not as tangy.
It's in between, for me, tanginess is in between the first two.
I
Yeah,
still prefer the first one.
yeah, I think I might prefer the first one to that one actually. But yeah, not bad. Next up, just sweetener. Still not too bad, cloudy wise. That's a bit, yeah, bit sunny and nothing.
Yeah, I agree.
Not as tasty as the first one.
Not much in it.
We might be getting just a little bit drunk now.
I can't taste the sweetener.
No,
Oh, I can actually. When you first have it, it's a bit.
I just got it then.
Yeah.
So yeah, bit of an aftertaste. Bit of an aftertaste. So the next one we got is just got malic acid in. Again, a bit cloudy. Sorry about the lighting. If I just turned the light on, so hope you can see better.
Oh, it's better.
Oh, I don't like that.
Oh, God.
I'm not sure.
Oh. Oh, the aftertaste.
There's an aftertaste. Jury's out on this one. Right, next up we've got malic acid, potassium sorbate and 20 teaspoons of sugar. Again, same cloudiness.
I like that.
Ooh, that's sweeter.
It's nice.
Oh, it's got a little bit of an aftertaste. Not as much as the others.
That's my favourite so far. Next up, we got malic acid, potassium sorbate and 40 teaspoons of sugar. Very consistent on cloudiness on the last lot actually. Oh, that's a lot sweeter.
That's very sweet.
Is that too sweet?
No.
No.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
That's my favourite so far.
Yeah, I'm with Chloe. I'm with Chloe. Not bad at all. Right, now this one, just sugar, 20 teaspoons in there.
It's not bad.
That ain't bad.
not bad.
That's just not as sweet as the other one, is it? Is there
It's
an
sweet
aftertaste?
enough,
We
Yes, sweet
will.
enough.
Yeah. We need to try the 20 again, won't we?
I prefer the sweeter, but I've
Yeah.
got a sweet tooth.
though. What's the difference between this one and the malic acid and potassium sorbate one?
Don't know.
But that's what we need to check, isn't it?
See what
Anyway,
taste.
drinkable. Right, the next two are a bit of an experiment because we run out of sterilising solution. So these are, well, this one is malic acid, potassium sorbate with some sweetener, but not in a sterilised container. So I don't know if this is going to make any difference.
Scared.
No, it doesn't make any difference. It's got an aftertaste from the sweetener, hasn't it?
Oh, I don't like that.
No. But I don't think the sterilisation has made a difference on this. Unless we fall over later spewing everywhere. Who knows? Oh, she started already! And the last one, which is again not in a sterilised container, but with just malic acid and potassium sorbate, no sweetener or sugar in it. So, but it does seem a bit clearer.
There's no,
What
I
about you?
don't think there's any aftertaste so much.
That's drier.
Oh,
Well, yeah, it's dry. It's got
No, that's got a funny taste, I think.
that's got a funny taste because I preferred the first one
Yeah.
definitely. To
So
this.
perhaps the non-sterilisation made a difference on that. I don't know. We just filled up the container because we had to fill up the container with what we had left and didn't have any steriliser. So not so good, that one.
No.
They're all dancing. It must be okay.
Mm.
Anyway, general consensus. We've had a chat. We've written down on a list because Chloe loves writing lists. Very neat list. But what I think we're going for is our favourites are the malic acid potassium sorbate, can't talk now, with 40 teaspoons of sugar, which is obviously like a sweet cider. Same, but with 20 teaspoons, it's going to be medium, and then with nothing added, surprisingly nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I was not expecting to like it, but that is obviously a dry cider, but yeah, but a nice taste. So I think we're gonna siphon these out into some containers, and we've got enough plastic bottles we've been sterilising all morning. I think we'll send a few of the others out as well for friends and families to try and see what they say. We might keep the nice stuff for ourselves though. We'll see. Right, we're just gonna siphon it some out into our plastic bottles. We've got this little filter thing. I can't remember what it's called. Vinbright, is it? Yeah, Vinbright filter. So let's try it. You gotta put your finger over the end. Can you put your finger over the end, Chloe?
What end?
Where it's going to come out. Yeah, and then I'll suck it in. It's going to get all over your fingers now.
Oh no!
Ready?
Did they come through? Nothing's coming out the end.
Isn't it? Should be.
Nothing's coming out.
There it
Oh,
goes.
there we go. Oh.
That's all right. Rest it on the...
Yeah, but don't we want to filter it?
This is, the filter's in there. Filter's in there.
Ah.
And, ooh, that's going pretty quick. There's a lot of air in it, but that's just one of the things, isn't it? So this is the first, this is the Au Naturel. Okay, so this is what we've ended up with the ones we think are palatable, coming from the Just Apples, which is the driest, medium to sweet. We've got some other variations of it. There was some that we just did not like, didn't like the taste of at all, so they've gone. So that's what we've ended up with. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bottles of 2 litres. What's that? 24 litres. So we shall be trying them and maybe sharing them around. You never know. So this can be it for now. Obviously we're going to get some samples out and ask some people. We're going to and replicate with the rest of our 200 and something litres of cider with what we've got here. It will just be lots of filtering and lots of siphoning and stuff, so there's no point in you watching that. So anyway, if you found this video interesting or informative, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see other content. Obviously we've got the cars and bikes and other bits and bobs. And oh yeah, don't forget we got our Insta's account, Larks_workshop. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Cheers then. Right, can I start there?
Yeah.
Don't smile at me.